Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the physical connection right. Plug the BlackShark V2 X into your PC with a 3.5mm jack or USB adapter and make sure it has power. Once connected, open your system sound settings and set the headset as both default playback and recording device so audio routes correctly. If you will use advanced features, install Razer Synapse, otherwise skip it. Make sure your game and chat apps use the headset in their audio options to avoid conflicts. Now you refine sound. In Synapse, choose the BlackShark V2 X profile and pick an EQ preset or craft a custom curve to match music verses in game clarity. Once done, toggle Virtual 7.1 surround, use it for spatial heavy games but disable it if you need lowest latency. Next, adjust microphone gain and enable noise reduction or sidetone so you monitor your own voice. Finally, run a quick voice recording test and speak at normal volume to confirm level. To finish, save your preferred Synapse profile and bind it to games so you don't reconfigure later. Enable cloud backup if available. Make sure Windows and audio drivers are up to date and check the physical cable and adapter seating if sound is absent. If the mic is too quiet, increase gain, confirm it's not muted in software or hardware, and try the headset on another device to isolate the issue. If problems persist, restart the PC and replug the headset before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.